welcome back to my channel. So today I have a really good video for you guys today. So I love Mexican food, absolutely love Mexican food. Okay, so with us having chicken and shrimp fajitas, is no better thing to top it off with Pico De Gallo. And yes, you could go to the store and buy Pico De Gallo, but when you make it yourself, it's the most amazing taste ever. Okay, so with no further ado, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make authentic Pico De Gallo. Okay, so let's jump right into this video. Okay, I have an empty bowl. I have chopped cilantro, a chopped white onion, 2 diced ripe tomatoes, a lemon, and I have here jalapeno pepper diced up. But depending on how much heat you want, how hot you want it, depending on whether you use the seeds or use all of the seeds or some of the seeds. So I use some of the seeds. I want a little heat, but not like, oh my God, I can't eat this, it's so hot heat. Okay, so what you want to do is take your onion, which I have a large white onion, and you only need a medium one. So I'm not going to use all of this. So medium white onion, and you want to take your lemon juice and you want to squeeze it. So you need about 2 tablespoons. A seed fell in there. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna have to pick these seeds out. All right, and just get these seeds out of here. One more. Okay, and you just want to mix that around in there, that lemon and that onion. So after you do that, you want to allow this to marinate for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put it in the top on it, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes, and I'll be back. Our onion and lemon has marinated for 10 minutes. So you're just going to give it a little stir. And now you want to add your diced tomatoes. You want to add like 3 to 4 tablespoons of cilantro, and you want to add your peppers, your jalapeno pepper, and with that you want to mix it all together. We got one more ingredient before you dig in all of this goodness. You want to add salt. So I have kosher salt here. Salt to your taste. But this right here is really what brings all of these flavors out. So once you added all of those ingredients. You put the top back on it. You place it back in the refrigerator for additional 15 minutes before serving. Our Pico De Gallo is done and ready. It's set for another 15 minutes. So this is our end results. Look at that. It looks amazing. And yes, it tastes amazing. I tried it. So with that being said, you can serve this with tacos, fajitas, nachos, or you can just eat it with plain tortilla chips. Whatever you like. I hope you guys try this recipe out though. Okay? So, to the next time and to the next video. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my Pico De Gallo. I really hope you guys try this video out. It is definitely a must try. It's really good, okay? You can make it mild, or you can make it medium, or you can make it like fiery hot. Like, you choose your heat in this one. So, with no further ado, until the next time, until the next video, bye!